First, open your browser and type Westfield Insurance Customer Care Number. Then you will see the latest and write Westfield Insurance Customer Care Number. After this, dial their customer care number. Once you have dialed the Westfield Insurance Customer Care Number, here's how to effectively communicate your queries. 1. Listen to the automated prompts. Pay close attention to the menu options provided. These prompts are designed to direct your call to the appropriate department, such as claims, billing, or policy services. Select the option that best matches your reason for calling. 2. Identify yourself clearly. When a customer service representative answers, state your name and policy number, if applicable, immediately. This allows them to quickly access your account information. 3. Clearly state the purpose of your call. Be concise and specific about your query. For example, instead of saying, "I have a question," say, "I have a question about a recent claim," or "I need to understand my policy coverage for specific situation." 4. Provide necessary details. Be prepared to provide any relevant information related to your query, such as dates, names, addresses, claim numbers, or specific policy details. Having this information ready will help the representative assist you more efficiently. 5. Ask specific questions. If you have particular questions, ask them directly. For example, "What is the status of my claim number," or "Can you explain the deductible for specific coverage in my policy?" 6. Listen carefully to the representative's responses. Pay attention to the information they provide and don't hesitate to ask for clarification if anything is unclear. 7. Take notes. It's helpful to jot down the representative's name, any reference numbers they provide, and the key points of your conversation. This can be useful for future reference. 8. Be polite and patient. Customer service representatives are there to assist you. Maintaining a polite and patient demeanor will help ensure productive conversation. 9. Confirm understanding and next steps. Before ending the call, summarize the key points discussed and confirm any agreed upon actions or next steps. Make sure you understand what you need to do, if anything, and what Westfield Insurance will do. By following these steps, you can effectively communicate your queries to Westfield Insurance Customer Care after dialing their number.